As Filipinos are heavy social media users, the Philippines remains as a social media capital of the world. Now that everyone can easily get connected, it can also be easier to spread fake news. Recognizing this, Globe Telecom commemorates the important role of the media for credible news with Globe's digital move.
As a company, Globe Telecom too has evolved from just simply company providing basic calls and texts. Ganun po kami dati, di ba? Pag calls and texts, it's Globe. Into being the purveyor of what we call the digital lifestyle. We were instrumental in making Facebook more accessible to Filipinos when we first offered free Facebook. We helped reduce music piracy by bringing in and partnering with Spotify, and we fortified partnerships with international content partners like Netflix, Disney, Fox, and most recently, Prime Amazon Video for more entertainment choices to suit the Filipino streaming habits. Now everyone is connected. Everything we need is either a tap or a swipe away. Most, if not all of us, have at least one social media account. Proof of this is that the Philippines continues to be the social media capital of the world with more than 60 million social media users. Each of us in this room can now report experiences as it happens. Instantly, we can all become reporters or news sources depending on the kind of content we share that can create the right amount of buzz and traction in social media. All of us in this room have the big responsibility to ensure that the news we write and share are true and not fake. And Globe Telecom will be by your side in safeguarding the truth as we commemorate Press Freedom Week.
At the end of the event, Globe also gave freebies to the media and social media influencers who attended the event. Partnering with the media, Globe is all in to bring connectivity and reliable news sources to the country as it evolves into the digital world. For MyTV Cebu, this has been Raya de Guzman.